Hello students, in this video we will discuss the complete reduction in the syllabus of chemistry for the class 10 of ICSE board with the previous syllabus of 2020 and 21 period. Okay, now we will begin with the very first chapter, that is the periodic properties and variations of properties and the physical and chemical behavior. So there is no any change in the chapter number 1 as well as with the chapter number 2, that is the chemical bonding, just because they are the very important chapters and there is no any reduction in these chapters because they are the base of your chemistry period. So there is no any reduction even in a single topic reductions in these two chapters. Okay, now we will move on to the third chapter, that is a study of acids, bases and salts. So in this third chapter they reduce only these topics only, that is the methods of preparations of normal salts with the relevant equations, details of the operators or the procedures not required for that, that is the methods include are the direct combinations, displacement reactions, precipitations, double utilizations. And even from these topics, if I talk about the previous year question papers or the previous year questions, so there are questions coming from this topic. So there are 1 or 2 questions coming from this topic, but still they reduce this. It's okay. You can study this chapter in class 11, these topics in the class 11. So that's fine for that. It's okay. So in the chapter number 4, analytical chemistry, there is no any change in the chapter analytical chemistry. It remains the same. There is no any changes in that. Okay, wow, there is a big reduction in the chapter mole concept and the stoichiometry, and even many almost 100% students would found it is very difficult to do the numerical problems and to deal with the concepts of the mole concepts and its stoichiometry. So there is a big reduction in the chapter topics. So they only left few topics from this chapter, that is the vapor density, its relation to the relative molecular mass equals to this is only few topics were left, and rest of the topics, all topics were reduced. They reduced these topics just because all these topics were coming in the class 11. If you are going to take the science subject there, so all these topics are coming in the class 11. So it's okay if they reduce them. There is no much of hurry and worry in these case. So mole concept, there is a big reduction in the chapter mole concepts and stoichiometry. Now if we discuss about the chapter electrolysis, so there is no any change in the chapter electrolysis. So no any change in the chapter electrolysis here. So it remains the same, though no changes in that. Now if we talk about the chapter number 7, that is metallurgy. So in the chapter metallurgy, yes, there is a reduction in these topics. First is the stages involved in the extraction of metals, like the dressing of ores, conversion of concentrated ore to its oxide, like roasting and calcination processes, and reduction of metallic oxide. So there is a reduction in these topics from the chapter metallurgy. Now if we talk about the study of compounds like the hydrogen chloride, and if I will go on the second topic, that is the ammonia, then third one is the nitric acid, and the fourth one is the sulfuric acid. So as you saw there is no changes in the chapter ammonia, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and hydrogen chloride. So there is no any changes in these chapters. So please try to focus on your time period and studies as well as. Okay, now if we come on the last chapter of class 10 chemistry, that is the organic chemistry, yes, there is a reduction in the chapter. Yes, there is a reduction in the chapter organic chemistry. They reduce last topics of this part, that is the alcohols and carboxylic acids. So they will retain the topics alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. All the topics will retain, but 2 topics, that is the alcohols and carboxylic acids, including their preparations, their properties and their further uses, they reduce these 2 topics. So not to worry about these topics just because these topics are coming in the class. So all these topics are coming again in the class 11. So there is no need to worry for these topics. So if you saw, there is no changes Like there is a change in the chapter number 9, that is organic chemistry. There is a change in the chapter number If we talk about the chapter number 7, metallurgy, there is a change in few topics of the chapter metallurgy, and there is a huge change in the topic chapter number 5, mole concept and stoichiometry. That's a beneficial point for you all. That's a very good point for you all. And there is a change in the chapter study of acids, base and salts, and further there is not any change in the chapter number 1, 2 and rest of the chapters. So please be prepared and study well for your further topics as well as further exams, just because this pandemic situations will not be last longer for the full life. It will definitely, and we wish for that, it will definitely improved और be clear now. ओके, तो अपना प्रिपरेशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए, अपने नेक्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए अच्छे से अपने सिलेबस का प्रिपरेशन कीजिए. कॉन्सेप्ट्स को बी प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ टू नो ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स and to understand all the concepts, but just not to cram all the things. Okay, we will meet in the next video with the solutions and the rest of the previous question papers, basically the question answers with the rest. Okay, thank you.